Yo, welcome to the TBX Trading channel, and it's been a while. Yeah, we sincerely apologize about not uploading videos for a while. TBX is going through a lot at the moment, so what we simply just decided to upload at least once in a week. At least we're going to be dropping videos on analysis for the next week, so you guys can still have a little bit of our content. So like today we're going to be talking about our analysis for the next week. And if you're joining us for the first time, we'd like you to hit that like button and subscribe. If you're so happy to join and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our content. You know how we do this. I'm going to see you after the intro. Yeah. So I haven't actually done anything like shake my charts or anything like that. So we're just going to quickly go through all this, at least most of them, not really all of them. So let's start with the first thing here, and that's AUD USD. As you can see, this was my trade on AUD USD last week. I actually kind of lost this trade. Actually, I don't think I have any proof or anything like that, but you guys just have to take my word for it. I actually entered on these double bottoms right here. This was my entry. My entry was somewhere around here. This black candle right here. That bullish candle was my entry. And if you don't know, the black is my bullish candle and the white is my bearish candle. Yeah, so my take profit was right here, but along the line, when price got to this zone, I broke even and took partials. So price came back to hit my break even, and I decided to re-enter around here after price broke and retested this zone, and I was aiming for this zone right here, somewhere around here. So price ended up moving and coming back to hit my stop loss. So let's check out. I don't think I'm having anything. Okay, let me just do something like this. Let's get rid of this. Sorry about that. Okay, so for AUD USD, I think I'm going to be targeting this zone. Yeah, okay. I think I'm going to be targeting this zone. And what will I be waiting for? I think I'll be waiting for a proper break and retest of this zone right here. So I'll be waiting for AUD USD to properly break this zone right here. So I won't be looking for trades until I see something like this. Yeah, then I'll be selling down to this zone right here. So that's my take on the AUD USD. So the next thing I'm going to look at is Euro USD, and I'll be very, very sincere with you guys. For like a few weeks now, I haven't been trading the Euro USD. I just don't really get it. I missed a trade from this um area right here, and since then I haven't actually entered Euro USD. I actually had a setup last week. I was expecting price to get into this zone, and I'm looking for sales to the downside, and as you can see, price didn't get to my zone, so I didn't actually get any trade set up on this. But personally, I don't think I'll be looking for trades on Euro USD, but just for the sake of this video, let me just try to do something let me just get trade. Let's jump to the daily time frame first to see if we can see anything. Was my system okay? Sorry about that. Nah, I don't think I have anything on Euro USD for the time being. Yeah, it definitely looked like it's going to sell, yeah, but I don't think I've seen any place to enter. Let me just get rid of all this. Maybe we can see it clearly. Oh, yeah. So maybe if we were to do something like a day trade, we could just do something like this and throw a box around here. And wait for price to get into this and look. I don't think I'll be trading this. I don't think I'll be looking for this kind of trade. I just did this just for the sake of this video, but I don't think I'm. Oh, this is. I don't think I'll. Oh, okay. I don't think I'll be looking for something like this. But I won't be trading Euro USD for this week unless I see something better. Now the GBP USD, this is actually better. As you can see, this is a clean break and retest. Just looking for a retest of this zone. So what we're expecting from GBP USD is to get back into this zone and give me a reasonable reason to enter, and I'll be selling to the downside. Yeah. Let me remove this and put it on this. Sorry, all these red tags are for last week. I won't actually check my chart this week. Okay, NZDUSD. My initial setup for NZDUSD, I think I cleared it. It was something like this. It's something like this. I was expecting price to either get, so something like this. I was expecting price to either get to this zone, then I'll sell to the downside, or get to the downside, then I'll buy to the upside. So currently as you can see, price has gotten to this zone, but currently I don't think I'll be buying up to this zone anymore. It's just going to be like a short trade, probably from the 1 hour time frame. I'll just be looking for a short trade to this zone right here. Yeah, so I think I'm looking for a short that is just like a counter trend trade, like something like this. So the entry is going to be from like a 1 hour time frame, so I should be able to get better risk to reward from that time frame. And after getting something like this, then I'll be looking for like to continue the trend to the downside, and I'll be looking for sell trades. I'll be looking for swing trades. Let's check the daily time frame to see structures that we can sell to. Sorry about that. Yeah, as you can see, we have a zone right, an area where we can sell to. Let me just put. Yes, since it's going to be a swing trade and I'm a swing trader, I can definitely sell from this zone down to this. But we're going to be taking partials, taking profits and the likes, and the price might not get to this zone. So, but this is going to be the next thing I'm going to be looking for. So, if I see a reason to sell from this, and if I don't know if you guys can see it, this is a downtrend. I'm very sorry for not explaining some stuff to details, but this video is not it's just about analysis for the next week, not really a tutorial video. But let me just show you guys the reason why I think price might sell to this zone. And if you look at it, this is still a downtrend. We have higher lows, so sorry, I mean lower highs, lower lows, lower high, and price is about to take out this lower low. So if price take out this lower low, what are we going to be expecting? We're going to be expecting lower lows, then lower highs, then lower lows down to this zone. So it's price getting to this zone, me swinging to this zone is still kind of realistic. So let's check out our analysis on USD card. So as you can see, we had a setup on a USD card last week. This wasn't a nice trade. As you can see, price took out my stop loss and went into my went according to my prediction. Okay, so but for now, I don't think I'll be looking for trades until price does one of two things. So if price, let me get rid of this and let me expand this a little bit. Okay, so I won't be looking for trades until price does one of two things. And the first thing is if price retest, like respects this zone and give me something like this, I'll be looking for trades around somewhere here, then buying to the upside, or I'll just wait for price to get to the top, this resistance zone right here, then look for counter trend trades down to this area. So I don't think for now I'm not really looking for trades on the USD card. And personally, I don't really like trading USDPS. I don't know why. I don't really like trading USDPS. So the same thing on USD CHF. So I'm just waiting for something like this. Personally, this is actually a very nice. I'm seeing a very nice setup right here. This is a resist. This is going to be my resistance. So I'm just waiting for price to do something. Just wait for price to break and retest. Once I see a break and retest, I'll be looking for buys up to this zone right here. So let me just mark this. It's a actually very nice setup. So let's check out USD JPY. Same thing. Now this price has already broken this high. So the next we're just going to be waiting for is a retest of this high. So if price retests this high, we're going to be looking for trades. As you can, the stuff is actually very simple. Forex is actually very simple if you make it simple. So we're going to be if price retests this, we're going to be looking for trades to the upside. But if you look at this, I don't think price is going to retest this zone before it gets to this resistance over here. So if price gets to this resistance over here, we'll be looking for counter trend trades. For instance, oh, where's my resistance? So let's assume price gets to the resistance first. So we're just gonna be looking for trades from like a short term trade and down into this zone. At least a 1 to 2 week reward, which should be nice. So let's check out AUD CAD. Okay. We had a trade. I got out somewhere around here when I saw the price was growing somehow sharp. I had an entry from somewhere to say like break out of this pattern, and I was saying that it's a nice trade. It's a nice trade. For now, I don't really like what I'm seeing here. Let me check out the daily. I don't really like what I'm seeing there. So for now, I'm going to stay out of AUD CAD. Maybe during the week, I might see something else, but for now, I don't think I'll be analyzing anything on AUD CAD. Although we still have some analysis there that what I'm trying to say is that if price gets to any of this zone, I will be looking for possible trades. But for now, as you can see, price is a little bit choppy, and I'm just going to stay out of the trade. AUD, I think we speed up a little bit. Okay, AUD CHF. AUD CHF. I was expecting price to get to this zone and look and be looking for possible entry. But when price got to the zone, as you can see what price did, price came to play at the top here before boom coming down. So I didn't actually get an entry from AUDCHF, and currently I don't really have any setup on AUDCHF. Although I can see something like if I draw my trend line, it's not actually neat. It's not actually the neatest pattern, but if price continues and break up, I'll be looking for an entry on break and retest. So let's move to AUDJPY. AUDJPY, I was also expecting price to get to this and then looking for possible shorts, but this bearish candle was too long, so I actually missed the entry. Let me check out the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I could have gotten an entry from here, but I actually didn't shake. So what I'll be doing is I'm waiting for an entry in the 1 hour time frame, the retest, something like this. I'm waiting for something nice. This is it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. But waiting for price to just give me an entry reason from here. Then I'll just be looking for an entry. It's going to be a short trade. It's going to be a short trade. Stop loss will be somewhere around here. You can take it just high as it just depends on you. Then my take profit is not going to be too far. Just going to be some. I think I might actually scale this take profit. I take profit differently, so you might not have to take profit the same way I do. But let me get rid of this. So normally this is supposed to be something like this. Okay, my take profit will be somewhere. Will be ranging from here, all the trade to around here, or I might most likely get out from here, depending on how the market is moving. Get so support. Okay, so my take profit is up. I'll most likely swing it to this level right here, or at least I'll actually break even or take partials. Most likely take partials when price gets to this zone over here. So I think this is what I'm going to be looking. This is what I'm actually looking at. I know the AUDJPY. So let's move ADNZD. Okay, ADNZD is looking nice. Let me see if we can. This is a trade I should have entered a few minutes ago. I said I was going to enter during the course of the video. But as you can see, it's already moving. But since this is Asian session at the moment, I'll definitely wait for London session. Maybe price might move back up. You know what I'm talking about. So let me just check if I'm actually looking for a zone around this eye here. Okay, exactly. We have videos on support and resistance. If you don't really know what I'm doing right here, and if you want us to do another video on support and resistance, just let us know in the comment section below. We are going to do another video on support and resistance. At least I think if I do a video on support and resistance now, it will be better than what I actually did before. You know what I'm trying to. I'm sorry about that. So as you can see, price is at a resistance. So, but since price is already moving, one of the best entry ways to enter, like I had there's a very dope entry right here, a doji and a bearish candle. So sorry, I mean and a gravestone. I see gravestone. Well, I usually call it inverted armor. So this is an inverted armor and a bearish candle. So this will have been my entry. This is actually a very nice entry. But since I don't like entering the market anytime price has gone against my entry, I actually don't like entering the market. So what I'll just do is I'm waiting for something like this. If possible, price gives me a double tops. So, sorry. If possible, price gives me a double tops, then I'll be waiting for a double tops and selling down to this. And if price doesn't give me a double tops and price gets into this zone, we can also be looking for buys to the upside. So let's check out. We still have a lot to check. And this is how I actually check my charts every week. Okay. I have nothing much to see here. Price didn't get to my price didn't get to my zone here before I started selling, so I don't think I'll be looking for any trades whatsoever on card CHF for the week. Card GPY on the other hand, price just got to my zone. I've actually drawn this for a very long time now, and as you can see, price was actually consolidating. So personally, I believe that there's going to be a lot of liquidity around this consolidation, and price we want to clear that. So I'll personally be looking for entry reasons, some short selling entry reasons or short reasons to short this market. Sorry, from this zone. So any reason I get, I will be shorting this market to. Sorry about that. I'll be shorting this market to this zone right here. I'll be shorting to this zone right here. And if and let me look at it, let's look at it. I'll be shorting to this zone. Most likely I'll be shorting to this zone. This zone looks nice, but I'll most likely be shorting to this zone. The reason why I said this zone looks nice is because if you look at it very well, I'm sorry about this. Yeah, if you look at it very well, you see that this is a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, then all this is just a compression, this lower. So price is still in a downtrend, and if price wants to continue this downtrend, price would most definitely like break this zone. So if I even wanted to swing this trade, I'll be swinging to this zone right here. I think this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be swinging this trade to this zone, but I'll be getting out on day trades right about here or here. I don't know. Let me use a red A and arrow to explain what I just said. Now this is lower high. The price came down to this lower. This is a higher low. Sorry, the price came down to this lower. I'm very sorry. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a lower low. Then this all this, as long as price didn't break this zone that you are seeing here, this is still a lower high. All this is still a lower high. So once price gives its reason and continues to reverse, so for price to continue this downtrend, it has to break this previous lower low, then moving down to this zone. So I think I will definitely be swinging this trade down to this zone. But day trades are going to be getting out somewhere around this zone or this zone. So let me just quickly put a box around this. Yeah. So this is not a financial advice. This is just my analysis for this week, my personal analysis for this week. So I'm going to drop a screenshot of all this, so some of all these setups in my Telegram channel. If you have not joined the Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description below. So this is a trade I'm currently in, and it's not really looking as nice as it used. It's not actually looking nice actually, but I actually got out on day trades for day trades right here. Let me get rid of all this. I got in with a double tops. And my entry reason was actually a double tops, and I got in right here somewhere around the mid. So I think I got in somewhere here, sure, and got got out for day trade, like taking part. No, I think I just took. Yeah, I took partials. A little partials around here, and prices looks like it's going to continue one to this uptrend. But I'm still expecting it to sell because price is still moving up to this resistance here, and I'm still expecting this resistance to push price down. So that's all for. So you can just wait for, if you see any entry reasons inside this zone, you can wait for your entries to look for selling trades. But personally, I would not advise to look for short entries at the moment until you have seen an entry that you're very very sure of. So let's jump to the next one quickly. Oh my god, it's still a lot. Okay, Euro AUD. This is another trade that broke my heart. As you can see, price ended up moving according to price. We took this and this one broke our heart. As you can see, price ended up doing exactly what I said I was going to do, and but taking it took my stop loss before moving into my direction. I don't really have anything for on Euro AUD for this week, so let's jump to the next. Okay, this was actually a nice trade that we got from EURCAD last week. I think last week, Thursday or Friday or so. So currently, I'll just be looking for any reasonable entry reasons to short this trade, and I'll be getting these reasons from the 1 hour time frame most likely. So if I see if price gives me a reasonable reason to sell to short, I'll be shorting the Euro card. I'll be shorting the Euro card. So let's move to. But it's not really a pair I'm really sure of like that. Okay, Euro CHF, we've done this for like since last week, I think, and I won't be looking for selling trade until um price enters the zone. This got very very close to our zone, and as you can see, we are analyzing a lot of pairs, so I'm not going to waste time on this until price actually gets into my zone. So if price gets into the zone, I'll be looking for shorting opportunities from this zone. I'll be looking for shorting opportunities from this zone that you can get out in this zone if you want. But I'll most likely be swinging it straight down because this is as I've said, this is a downtrend, this is a neat downtrend. And if price wants to continue this downtrend, it has to break this lower low right here. So I believe let's check out the daily time frame and let's be quick. Oh, I don't think I don't think there's any zone right here. So nevertheless, that's never an issue. Anytime I see something like this, maybe let's say I'm not able to get a previous support. Um, I use my Fibonacci. I use my Fibonacci. I just, okay, because I'm going to be using my Fibonacci. I'm going to be getting out around here. Let's break. I'm going to be getting out around here. So that's for the reason of Fibonacci. I'm going to be getting out around here. Now, as you can see, it is still below this lower low. That's how it should be. Anytime price wants to continue, if you're in a downtrend, um, then if you are in a downtrend and you're selling from, if price wants to continue this downtrend, what does that mean? The price is definitely going to break this lower low. So that's how it is. So if you want to be shorting, instead of shorting to this zone, you're just going to end up regretting like and leaving early. Although most this doesn't happen all the time, price might get here and reverse, but nevertheless, that is why you have to monitor your trade to get. So let's move to the next one. Um, as you can see, price is already at my zone. I think I'll just be waiting. I'll just be waiting. I'll just be waiting on this pair to see what happens. If price gives me a reason to sell, then I will take it. And if it breaks this bullish and continues, because I think it looks like, although this is a downtrend, lower one, two, three. This is still a downtrend, but I'll still be waiting because this doesn't look like it's going to come down anytime soon. But if it gives me a reason to sell, I would be taking it. So I think most of the Euro XXPs they are all given selling opportunities. So this is a ranging market, as you can see. Price has been ranging, and but if you look at it closely, you're going to see this nice pattern. So this means that price might. This is a bullish pattern. Actually, this is a bullish pattern. So it means that price might break this zone bullish and continue to the upside. Price might break this zone bullish and continue to the upside. So, but let's just see what price gives us. If price gives us a reason to sell, then we're going to take it. But if price gives us a reason to buy, we're going to take it. So, like now, this will have been a very deep reason to sell. But the reason why I did not take this sell entry was because this week was just too long. This week was just too long. So let's say it was a shorter week, I would have most likely entered for a sell. So, but if price comes here and maybe gives me another bearish candle to form a double tops, I might enter it to this zone right here. Okay, this this is also this looks like the previous pair, something like this. Now this looks like it wants to reverse. Price hasn't broke. This is still a downtrend because price hasn't broken this highs, but this looks like it wants to reverse. So even though I'm definitely going to be getting a sell trade from this zone from Euro NZD, but I'm going to get probably from the 1 hour time frame. I'll be getting a sell trade. I'll be getting a sell trade, a short-term sell trade to around this zone right here. Getting a short-term sell trade to somewhere here. As long as I can get a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, as long as I can get a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, it's fine by me. as you can see. So let's get to the GPPs. Okay, sorry about that. This is a trade I recently I just got into this trade like few minutes ago before I started the video. I just got into this trades. This trade this is a neat downtrend and price broke this zone and retested. So I just got into this trade like few minutes ago and I'm expecting price to sell to. There's a zone around here. I didn't draw it. So for something like this, yeah, you can just scroll and check the left and you're gonna see a zone around us. So I'm just trying to speed up because we have wasted a lot of time already. This is a trade that, as you can see, we actually hit SL. We actually hit our SL here. I was expecting price to buy. I wanted to like trade the pullback. Then I actually hit my SL here, and I was also expecting price to get into this zone before selling. It didn't work out the way it didn't work out. So currently, I'll just be waiting for if price comes back to this zone. If price come back to this zone, then I might look for, I mean, something reasonable, not this week. I mean, if price moves all the way back to this zone, I will be looking for sell trades to the downside. Yeah, that's it. GBPCHF. Yeah, this is a trade I'm still currently involved in, and as you can see, just a neat trade. Price got into this zone, and I got my entry reason. Then I sold, and as you can see, we have taken partials and we have also broken even, and we're out. I've almost gotten to our take profit. So GBPJPY, I have nothing on GBPJPY. To me, it has just been shopping for a while now, and I've not actually been checking it for a while now. GBPNZD, GBPNZD, GBPNZD. Okay, GBPNZD. Let me see. And if you notice, most of the trades that I throughout this most of these setups I didn't actually check the daily time frame like that. I'm trying to just get more of day trades instead of swing trades. You understand? So I'm just trying to get more of day trades instead of swing trades. That's the reason why I didn't jump to the daily time frame often, like more often like this week. Unlike the previous analysis on the TBX reading channel where we check the daily time frame more like most oftenly you get. So on this, I don't think I'll be waiting for. I'll be looking for any setups for the week because what I'll be waiting for is if price breaks this zone, I'll just be waiting for price to retest. And if price gets to this zone and price wants to sell, I don't think I want to take part in this sell because it's not something that I'm seeing like. It's not something I'm so sure of. So even if price gives me a set like a reason to short GBPNZD, I don't think I'll take it because I'm not really, my mind doesn't really, I'm not just okay with it yet. So but if price breaks this zone though and retest, I'll be definitely be looking for a buy. NZD, NZD, okay. Yeah, this is a nice set. So this is a nice break and retest. If price gets into this zone, we are going to look for sales. I don't know if you know where we're going to be getting out. You can pause the video for a sec, just look at the charts and know where we're going to be getting out. It's actually very, very obvious. So we're going to be getting out somewhere around. Look, we're going to be getting out somewhere around here. I'm going to get out somewhere around it. So we're just going to be looking for trades here. Most of those trades are going to be the entries are going to be from the 1 hour time frame. Just like when I take my when I make my analysis from the daily time frame, most of the entries are going to be from the 4 hour time frame. And when I make my analysis from the 4 hour time frame, most of the entries are going to be in the 1 hour time frame. When I make analysis in the 1 hour time frame, you get most of the entries are going to be in the 15 minutes time frame. So this is actually a very nice setup. Let me tag this. I'm still gonna actually retag and remove a lot of. I don't want to do this because I don't want to waste time on it because of this video. Sorry, because of the time. Okay, price is currently. This is NZD CHF and price is currently in a zone. So if I'll be looking for a short pullback, I think I'm going to jump to the 1 hour time frame and look for if this gets into during the London session. I think I'll be looking for a short pullback to the top side, somewhere around here. I'll be looking for a short pullback somewhere around here. And if price decides to break this zone, if price breaks this zone, then I'm waiting for a retest. If price breaks this zone, I'm waiting for a retest, and I'll short into somewhere here. Yeah, very simple. Okay. And the last pair, NZDJPY. Price is still consolidating. I'm not really looking forward to trading this pair this week. Let me just check out dollar index. Something I like to do. Check. I don't trade it, but I just try to like check it out. Okay, as you can see, dollar index is still kind of bullish, so we should be expecting these three pairs, the UCAD, UCHF, and UJPY to still be bullish. And I think the setup that we had on them were bullish setups. So I'm not going to waste time checking all these metals. I just want to show you a running trade that we have on gold. And yeah, this is a trade that this is a setup that we had last week. Actually, we had a setup like 2 weeks ago, but we got the entry last week. And as you can see, it's actually moving nice. Price has almost got into our first take profit. And it's actually a swing trade on gold, and one of the best trades that we had this week. Now let me show you guys the crypto. I'm not going to do anything about crypto analysis this week because we have wasted enough time, but I think price has almost got into my take profit. Let's check out this. Yeah, this is a very nice trade too. I'm very sorry. Yeah, I'm just this. All I'm saying is just mouth say. There's no proof I entered any of this trade, but you guys will just take my word for it. So this is under dub trade. I think I have trade on the all four. This is under dub trade. They all actually did almost the same thing, so it was easy to get them. I don't think I got into this. And I don't think I got into this. But yeah, I think I got into just this too. So that's all for this week. So if you have any if you have any pair that you want us to check, I don't really do synthetics like that, but we can still able to check out synthetic as you can see. So if you have any pair you want us to check, or crypto or stocks, just DM the stocks or crypto or whatever pair in the comment section. And if there's anything that you want us to do, just drop it in the comment section. If you have any questions, to drop it in the comment section. If you have any video you want us to like focus on, drop it in the comment section. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next week.